Welcome to another card making tutorial. Keep watching to see how to make this happy birthday card that only requires one black pen. Shown here and linked below are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. Start by drawing out the design in pencil. Once you have everything drawn out in pencil, all you really need to do is switch over to your thin black pen and simply trace over all of the pencil lines that you'd previously drawn. A really easy way to customize this design would be to simply change the color pen that you're using. And perhaps you decide to do the floral motif in one color and the lettering in another. The options are really endless for customization. To keep it really simple, I just decided to use black for the whole design. So I started by simply tracing over the pencil lines that I'd drawn for the floral motif at the top of the card. And then I moved on to the lettering. So I started with the word happy, and then I continued on with the word birthday. And then finally, I continued on and just did the same thing with the floral motif at the bottom of the card. And once you've traced over the design using your pen, whatever colors you ended up choosing, this simple and elegant floral design happy birthday card is complete. Thanks so much for watching. Happy card making.